Hello dear student, welcome back to math session. Today here we are going to study chapter number 12, equations in one variable. So first question, what is the variable? So what is the variable? In an equation, a letter sometimes used in place of use in place of a number in place of a number, a value for the letter has to be found will make equation balance okay. So such a letter is called the what? Variable. Okay, suppose sometimes the example, suppose we consider the suppose one boy is there. Okay, his mother is asked to bring the some rice. Okay, so what is mean by some rice? So at that time we don't know the exact value. Okay, so at that time we have to consider that some value as replaced by a letter, suppose x. So we consider okay, that boy mother is asked to bring the x quantity of rice. Okay, then that x quantity or that variable is such a that will makes the equation balance. Okay, so such a letter is called the what? Variable. So next term is there, solution of the equation. Okay, now what is the solution of equation? The value of a variable which satisfies the given equation okay, it's called solution of equation. It's called solution of the equation. What is mean by the solution of the equation? Okay, suppose we consider here one example, that is a x plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, so here we want to find out the value of variable which balances this equation. So can we say that x plus 4 minus 4, because here on left side we have to find out the value of x only. Okay, so plus 4 is there, so definitely if we add the minus 4 in plus 4, so it become cancel or the answer is 0. So on left side only x will be left, on right side also same operation will be performed. Okay, so here is the minus 4, on right side also we are going to subtract the 4. So plus 4 minus 4 becomes 0, on left side only x will be left, and 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, means what? The value of variable is 5. And now if you are observing here, equation is x plus 4 is equal to 9, correct? So if we substitute the 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, so 9 is equal to 9, means what? This value of variable is satisfied the equation. Okay, so that is called the what? Solution of the equation. Next one is the what? The operations done on both sides of variable. Okay, so we know that the solving an equation means to find the solution of the equation. The equation obtained by performing the same operation on its both side does not change its solution, because here if we observe, here is the x plus 4 is equal to 9, from both side we subtract the 4. Yes, means what? We are performing the same operation on both sides. Okay, so that does not change its solution, means you getting the what? The answer same. Okay, so which are these different operations can be done on both sides of equation? So first is what? To add the same number on both sides, add the same number on both sides. Suppose we consider the suppose equation is x minus 4 is equal to 7. So in this case it is necessary on left side minus 4 should cancel. So minus 4, to cancel the minus 4, plus 4 will be added. So we have to add the plus 4 on both sides. Okay, so we get the what, x is equal to 11. Means what, here we add the same number on both sides. Second is what, to subtract same number from both sides, okay. So let us consider one more example. X plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay, now here is the plus 4 is there, so to cancel the plus 4, minus 4 should be added, that is x plus 4 minus 4. Then right hand side also same operation, here is the we subtract the 4, on right hand side also we subtract the, so plus 4 minus 4 0, so x and 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So to subtract the same number from both sides. Then third one is what, to multiply both sides by the same number, okay. So let us consider example, that is x by 9, okay, is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the equation. Here also we have to find the solution of equation, that is the value of variable x. So here is the divide by 9, so to cancel the 9 we have to multiply it by 9, means what, x upon 9 into 9. On same side operation, same operation on right hand side also, so 9 become cancel, so on x left side only x will be left, and here the 10 9s are 90. Correct, means what, this value of variable, here we what, multiply both sides, that is we multiply by 9 on both sides to find the solution of equation. Okay, and last is what, to divide both sides, by the same non-zero number, number, that is important, number should be what, non-zero. Okay, so it indicates what, because any number we consider divided by 0, it is not calculated, it is not defined, or value will be infinity. So here the intentionally I am writing here the non-zero number. So consider example, 3x is equal to 9. Okay, so here now on left side only x should be left, so here 3 is multiplied, to cancel the 3 we have to divide by 3, means what, 3x divided by 3, so same operation on right hand side, 9 divided by 3, so 3 cancel, so on x left side x will be left, so here 3 ones are 3 is 9, so x is equal to 3, means what, we did what, the operation divide both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. Okay, so I hope all of you understood the basic terms, variable, solution of the equations, and the operations done on the both sides of equation. Okay, thank you.